So Daddy today he refused to vlog with me. I'm going to cut him in my vlog. You are fired. No more Daddy on my vlog. Cut him. Fired. Because he said we already made the video of Ikea. But he doesn't know. People like when you go to shopping. People like to see. This is the trouble. My husband, he doesn't like so much camera. He's not so much social media man. But he does for me. But sometimes it's kind of disturbing. Esme. Team Mommy, yay! Esme, she asked for it. Vero, Esme, do you like camera? Do you like to take pictures? Brava. You like YouTube, right? Terencio, he's asleep. So today we are going to our favorite place, my favorite place. I'm going to my favorite place. I'm going to Ikea. We just want to go to buy some things for Christmas light, no lights, the ornaments, and some other stuff for the house. Yes. And today is the first time for Teresio to go to Ikea. I know he's excited to go to Ikea, Teresio. So we'll see you guys there. One, two little chairs for Esme and Terry for the seating. Bye, Esme, let's go. For Mommy. What is that? Terry. Sleeping bear. Here. This one. For Esmeralda.
Ci vedo. Guarda là.
This one and the little one like this. How much is this? 15 euro. This one is cute, eh? First we take this and one chair, or we take both two. And then next time we take another chair for Terencio. This one we have to find the code. Right now we take a picture of the code. So I get this one and one chair. I have one like this one. Esme. Ciao. Never get enough of cushions. This one is cute. Always when I come here, I normally get one or two of these. You know which one I can get. So we still need what tent I need? Curtains. We still need curtain for Esmeralda's room and Terry, because we still have the pink one, and we're looking for something affordable. I was thinking this one was 14 euro, but wasn't. This was good, but it's 40 euro. So I think we have to find something else cheap. As if he knows his aspect of the things. White one at 8 euro. This one is so affordable. 3 meters like not fit.
It is here.
What do you think? Will fit there? Esmeralda doesn't like Ikea. Why you don't like Ikea? Will fit, eh? Because even the other one was long, eh? What do you think?
Could fit where?
To Esmeralda's room and Terry.
It is.
Why? It's affordable. We're looking for the tissues. Toilet papers.
Always need.
You use 24/7. You find something? You like this picture? No?
No, questa.
It's beautiful, right?
No, questo piace.
Even me, I like it.
No, questo.
So I wanted this plastic tree. Oh my god, but it's not cheap.
This is not the price of IKEA.
34 for one of these. Oh my god, and it's not even that tall because I was thinking it could be tall.
It's not good.
Not good price. Take a shot, sorry. I think we have to wait. So many people. We're going back home.
Morning.
Happy now?
Morning.
You're happy now we're going home? No? So Terencio has been sleeping for 2 hours. 2 hours. When we arrived,
Yeah, Terence is my
he's really an angel. So he was full, that's why he didn't cry. And yes, we did it. Now we are on our way back home. And Esmeralda calling his friend from school all the time. Antonio. Is Antonio your boyfriend, Esme? Eh?
Which boyfriend?
Daddy say which boyfriend? Daddy started to be jealous so early. He keeps calling Antonio. Who knows if he's the boyfriend?
I want to see who is this Antonio.
Oh, Daddy. Esme, why you like so much Antonio? Eh? But Antonio, I don't know who. Because every week she comes back with a new name and always boys. The first time was Alessandro, the names of same name like his father. And she was like calling Alessandro all the time. Alessandro, Alessandro, Alessandro. And next was Brian. And now is Antonio. Oh my god, Esme. Now we're singing the song of Brian singing. She never mentioned any girl from school, right?
He.
Esmeralda never mentioned any girl from school. Always boys. Sometimes it's better to play with the boys, I think. Huh? Diego. We spent 2 hours in IKEA. Yes. And now is 1:18 and I think we are going to arrive home at 1:30.
No, before.
Before? Yes.
We are already here.
We are not so far from IKEA.
No, 10 minutes.
Yeah. We are almost home already. We used 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We used 10 minutes from IKEA to home. Yes. So we are home now and you know the reason why I went to IKEA?
No.
Forget the ornament for Christmas. But there was nothing for Christmas. So I think we were late. So Terencio say bye guys. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Don't touch
So subscribe to our channel, guys. Like this video and share with family and friends. We love new people, so share our videos, guys. Bye.
Bye.
And daddy with a big smile. Smile, daddy. At least you have to show your smile.